guys, I hope you all are well. It's Saturday. I have been a bit naughty. I should have actually done some recording since this morning, since last night actually, but I was just so worn out during the week. By the time we got to Thursday night and Friday night, I was just so exhausted. Anyway, we've got some guests coming round. They'll be coming at 4 o'clock and it is nearly 11 o'clock. So my son's been he's been a gem and he's been cleaning up, helping me to clean and everything. So yesterday when I came down, he had actually sort of cleaned up the kitchen, counters and everything, which was a big help, and some dishes as well. And then this morning we've just been mopping and cleaning and hoovering. That's been our main task. And now I'm going to cook. And I've only got 4 hours to cook. But I realised, one of the things I realised is that I'm just going to keep it simple. So, Auntie really loves my bakery, so I'm making bakery. I'm trying to record at the same time, and I've realised whilst in the middle of recording, I've run out of baking powder. So now I have to halt that, so I can't make that. But I'm going to quickly marinate the lamb chops. I'm making lamb chops. And I've got some chicken breast pieces out. I'm not sure what to do with that. I'm going to make some Chinese rice, I think, and I don't know what else. Oh yes, and I've got this moong dal out, and I'm going to make a chaat out of that. So let's see how that goes, but I'm going really slow, and I've got absolutely no idea what I'm doing for dessert. Oh, I was thinking of making this pineapple dessert. Let me check if I've got the ingredients, because if we are going to do a shot quickly, then I better do that all in one. I've had to leave the table until I get the baking powder. That's all set up. My tea is on the go. Excuse this mess. And I'm about to put the lamb chops in here. I've got about a cup of yogurt. I'm going to put 3 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. And then I'm going to get my garam masala, put in 2 tablespoons, red chilies, teaspoon and a bit, my chaat masala, that's about a spoon, and some salt. And I'm going to then put some lemon juice in. That's about 1/4 cup, I think. Mix this all in. And I'm going to, if there's anything else I fancy, let me have a taste of this. The taste. I think it needs more. Garam masala. I think about another 1/4 cup. This. Oh, and then I've got some onion granules. Got some of this left over. Put that in and give it another mix. Much better marinade. Put more chilies in. Yeah. Oh, nice and beautiful. just going to put these lamb chops in and just mix them. And what I'm going to do is just cook them on a low heat. I think maybe I might do them in the oven. What I've decided to do is put this in the oven. So I'm just going to sprinkle some oil and I'm just going to put this in directly. Right, and that's it. I have to get my other spatula for this. What I'm going to do, see the foil? I'm just going to press a bit down on it and then pop it in the oven. Guys, I'm also going to make this jot with this lentil beans. It's mung bean, mung dal, I don't know what you call it, but it's been soaking overnight in water. I'm just going to tip this water out of the pan and boil it. So guys, this is done. Oh, you can see that it's soft, and I'm just going to remove all this black gunk before sifting it out. In order to make this moong dal chaat, I'm just going to add some oil. That's about 2 tablespoons in about, you can see I've got just I don't know, a cup. I'm going to put some zero in. That's about half a teaspoon of that. A small bay leaf. Half a teaspoon of chili flakes. One teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. And it's flushing. Pinch of salt. And a chaat masala. I feel I didn't put enough oil in, basically. Just a dash of oil and a dash of water. Give this a quick taste actually. Need some more salt. And some more chaat masala as well. Right, we'll put that aside now. So guys, I'm just going to make this chaat now, the second part. Put oil in it, and it says to put some zero in it. Oh, where is it? Just throwing things in. Oh, I think that's too much zero. And I know it asks for a belly. That's a bit big. Let's find a smaller one. Because it's only a small. You know when you want to find things really quickly, it doesn't happen. And then you just put this in, and I've forgotten my bowl. Oh, not my bowl, but put some chili flakes. It's like, it's 2:30. I've got 1.5 hours to make the rice from scratch, do the dessert, and do the chicken as well. So there's a lot to do still. And I haven't done this, but I don't know. I keep this salt in here, it's pink salt. You know it comes, it's really thick. I just keep some of it here, like this, so I've grinded. So it was just, I wonder. But yeah. Oh, red chili flakes. Oh, nearly stumbled out. There's just a few. About to make my tea as well, because I really need some tea just to boost me. Probably should take some paracetamol so I don't get pain in my back. Okay, right, so this is done. I'm just going to pop it back in here. And I'm actually going to cheat. I'm going to use this to... Mash them up for my dessert. I'm going to do this now whilst the rice is about to boil. I've got about, I'll put an exact recipe up later, but I'm just throwing it in at the moment. I think 9 should be fine. And then I need some butter, margarine. You know what I'm going to do? I don't know if you can hear me. Going to put, that's 1 teaspoon. I think that's enough. Right, let's whiz that up. Weren't expecting that, were you? I think, yeah. come back after the break. So I've got my bowl here. I'm going to put some, I think I'm going to put all of it in. Excuse me while I, right, you're going to have to make do with this angle. So I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of caster sugar in here, in a tubble, and then mix it. Mix, 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 mix. What would be nice is some vanilla essence, but I haven't got any and I've not had a chance to buy some. But yeah, ooh. I'm going to make this a bit more, less thicker, so I'm going to add some cream in. This is double cream, I'm meant to be whipping it, but you know, I can be a bit lazy at times. Not lazy, so guys, after putting a tub of whipped cream, I'm going to, oh man, oh, disasters. I'm rushing now because I've only got an hour left and I've still got to do things, and there's just too much to do last minute. Look, I wasn't very good in prioritizing today. I don't know, I was really tired as well. I've got lots of excuses because when you're working, I think, what do you think? I think I need more pineapple in it. Just winging it really. Yeah, definitely more pineapple. Right, so I'm just going to very quickly, don't have much time, going to put these, at the end like this. Now I'm thinking it might be quite hard to get to, and then so guys, my guests are here and I can't really take any more pictures, I mean videos. I've got to go and tend them, but this is what the scene is. I mean, it's pretty clean. I've got to finish off the rice, just going to assemble this jar that's here. I'm thinking of making the naan, but I'm not sure, and the chicken's done, and that's it. I'm about to put my karhai away, so it's all good. Me, I'm going to take off my hijab in a minute, but yeah, let's all ready.